8 years ago, I came out of a corporate career in ill health. I have flatlined adrenals, inflammation throughout my gut and mouth, continual sinus infections, headaches daily, and an underfunctioning thyroid. To say the least, I wasn't really enjoying life. I started using plant-based mineral replenishment, and things started to change. My dentist noticed a difference first as the inflammation in my mouth started to resolve. Then my naturopath reported that my adrenals had gone from completely flatlined to 1/3 of the way up the chart. Next, I went through a seasonal change without getting my usual sinus infection. Over the next 9 to 12 months, most of my chronic issues resolved, leaving me with an intense curiosity. I wanted to understand how minerals work in the body and why plant-based minerals were so effective in helping me get back to feeling like myself again. I've spent many years researching mineral depletion and what led to the intense mineral deficiency I experienced. I also researched the mineral replenishment system in the human body, how it works, and why plant-based minerals are uniquely designed to support it. In the process, I've had some major aha moments, and I'm really looking forward to sharing them with you. I hope you'll join me on this journey.